New tonight, MercyOne says roughly 30% of Iowans don't have a primary care doctor. And if you are one of those people, the health system says it has a new website that can help you find the perfect match. Local 5's Mary Sugden explains how the new technology works.
While the COVID-19 pandemic forced many people to turn to telehealth for their healthcare needs, MercyOne says this growing comfort online helped it to think outside the box.
As we started thinking about what does the future look like, with endemic and hopefully someday post-pandemic, we realized that healthcare was going to be different than it was before.
MercyOne created a new website to link patients with the primary doctor that best meets their needs and wants.
People go to the website, they take a short quiz, 11 questions, and then at the end they are provided with 3 providers in the area who are accepting appointments.
11 questions that will lead to 3 doctors that might be right for you.
From a patient perspective, I think it could potentially be pretty helpful to try to match things. So it's been called kind of a match.com of medicine.
And with the health system estimating roughly 30% of Iowans don't have a primary care doctor, they're hoping this site not only removes that barrier, but helps improve people's health.
It's just good to have someone to go to for medical questions in general, so it's been much more evident during COVID over the last 2 years of who do you respect to get your medical information from? And, can you always learn things from Google and Twitter? Well, maybe, but I think a medical professional would be best to give you some advice.
And while the site just launched recently, the health system says it's hoping in the future the data will reflect that this process is leading to better health outcomes for its patients. Now, this site is live in the Des Moines region, and MercyOne says it's anticipating expansion to the rest of the state as early as this week. In the studio, Mary Sugden, Local 5 News. We are Iowa.